Hello guys, it's good to have you back on my channel. Today I'll be sharing tips that will help you to keep your phone and your data safe. So the first one is install system updates. Developers that developed our phones, they always have system updates, security updates on your phone. So make sure you always update your phone. Yes. The second one, please install apps from official stores like Google Play Store, iOS Store, other places that you can get apps that are not on official sites might have virus and all of that. So be careful while downloading things from those sites. The third one is beware of public Wi-Fi. Beware of public Wi-Fi. They can steal your data. If you are going to use a public Wi-Fi, please make use of your VPN. Please and please don't forget to make use of your VPN. If not, you are going to expose yourself to phishing. The other one is fortify your phone's defense. Like, protect your phone with passwords, with fingerprints. Don't always use fingerprints only, just use passwords and fingerprints. Combine both, not only face lock, passwords, fingerprints and all, to keep yourself safe. Then the other one is you should harness the power of digital well-being, like your eye care, battery saver, dark theme, schedule on and off, bedtime control, peak proof. All these things are there to help your digital life. That you have your phone to use does not mean you should allow your phone to damage you. The next one I'm going to talk about is check links before you click. Like, so many hackers and scammers, they will type an official site, but then they will miss one letter, or they will write, maybe if it's access, they will write AA instead of ACC. Those things. Please double check before you click any link. So the next one is don't use public USB ports to charge your device. You can see them in hotels and airports and all of those. Don't use it. Always go with your power bank or your own USB and charger. Please don't use public USB ports to charge your device. There is another feature on your device that is find my device. When you go to settings and go to security and location, you see this feature. With it, you can be able to locate your device in case you lose it, and also erase the data on your device if you're able to sign into your Google account. So you can check this feature out and customize it to your need. Another thing you can also do to keep yourself safe is uninstall apps that you don't need. If they are system apps, you can disable them. Also put off your mobile data when not in use. This is going to be the end of this video. Thank you so much for staying with me till the end. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.